now we're going to code a form. So I'm going to create a Chapter 10 folder. And we're going to create a 10.1. And in here, we're going to go to our Chapter 1 and copy our template folder over. And open him in Notepad. Blank page, remember. And we're going to File, Save As. And this is going to be called join.html. So this is going to be our form example. Our H1 is going to say join our newsletter. So we have to use our open and closing form element. So form and our method equals get. And then we're going to close that form out. So everything else for our form comes between those open and closing form elements. There's a number of attributes that you can use within the form element. Right now we're just keeping our HTML code to kind of a minimum. So we're going to say email input type equals text name equals name equals email ID equals email. And then we're going to add some line breaks. So our input element of type will allow the user to text type into that. Our name assigns the name of email, and this is entered into the text box, or it's our value when used by server-side processing. And our ID is an attribute that uniquely identifies this specific element. So we've added some line breaks, and now I'm going to add the submit button. We're going to add the value attribute as well, so what it's going to say. So after our line breaks, we're going to come down here and we're going to say input type equals submit for our submit button. Value equals sign me up. Then we're also going to have input type equals reset. Okay, got our closing form tag. Save our file, launch it in Chrome. So here's our joiner. I can put Goins at gulfcoast.edu. If I was connected to a database, it could send it. And there's my sign me up or my reset button.